ALGO is freedom.
I buy a lot of products from Amazon, but I really never knew what it would take to sell on Amazon. And if you don't know what you're doing, ALGO is the community that shows us the exact procedures and proper way to do things online.
ALGO can keep you from making a lot of very expensive mistakes.
ALGO's community help my Amazon business by doing everything they can,
ALGO is a great opportunity.
It's valuable to attend events like this because you get to meet your vendors and form relationships with them, in person as opposed to online and where you never meet them and just email them back and forth.
The ALGO community has been welcoming, informative, friendly, and easy to work with.
I would say to someone who's thinking about joining ALGO, I think it's a great resource. I think their tools are incredible.
The entire ALGO team has been a great help to me. I've sent many emails and the response is really great.
Being a part of ALGO's community has helped my business exponentially.
ALGO is amazing, go for it. ALGO nos encanta, infórmense, háganlo, vale la pena.
Everybody that I've met with ALGO is interested in helping, and so that's what I was looking for.
If someone's thinking of joining ALGO,
I would say to someone thinking about joining ALGO
I would say to someone thinking about joining ALGO,
If you're thinking about joining ALGO, I would say it's worth it.